Julia Scalper, version 6.4, the professional trading solution that's revolutionizing how traders manage their positions. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about our powerful EA and its installation. Julia Scalper, version 6.4 is our most advanced expert advisor, featuring a unique dual take-profit system, smart mode market analysis, auto lot sizing, professional risk management, and an intuitive trading pan. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this EA will help optimize your trading journey. What you need before we begin installation. Let's make sure you have everything ready. MetaTrader 4, Platform MT4, a valid Julia Scalper, version 6.4 license key. You can get this from the admin. A stable internet connection. Basic understanding of MT4. Step 1. Prepare MetaTrader 4. Julia Scalper V6.4 download folder with MQL and templates folders visible. In MT4, go to the File menu at the top and select Open Data folder. Copy the MQL and templates folders into the MT4 data folder. Close MT4 and reopen it. After MT4 reopens, go to Templates and load the Julia Scalper template onto the chart. Click on the chart and enable Chart Shift. Step 3. Configure Expert Advisor settings. Go to the Tools menu at the top and select Options. Click on the Expert Advisors tab. Enable the following two important settings. Check Allow DLL imports. Check Allow web requests for listed URLs. In the Web Requests section, click Add New and enter the following URL: https://license.solanaguard.xyz. Click OK to save these settings. Step 4. Add Julia Scalper V6.4 to your chart. You'll find Julia Scalper version 6.4 in your Navigator panel under Expert Advisors. Drag Julia Scalper version 6.4 from the Navigator to your chart. The EA settings window will appear. Now go to the Common tab. Make sure Allow Live Trading is checked. Also check Allow DLL Imports here as well. These two settings must be enabled or the EA will not open any trades. Step 5. Enter license key and configure settings. Enter your license key. Set the lot size for TP1. This is for your TP1 trades. It's recommended to start small here. Set the lot size for TP2. This is for your TP2 trades. Leave the magic number as default. Next is martingale. It's better not to turn on martingale unless you're experienced. Step 6. Risk management. Enable daily profit and loss limits, set to false by default. If you want it, set it to true. In maximum daily loss, set the maximum loss allowed in the day. After that, the EA will stop trading for the day. In maximum daily profit, set the amount you want to profit in a day. Step 7. Status check. Once the EA is loaded, look at the status check panel on the right side. You'll see green check marks confirming everything is set up correctly. Web request, connected to license server. DLL imports enabled. Live trading enabled. Auto trading enabled. Bot active, your EA is running. If any of these show a red mark, go back and fix that setting before trading. Step 8. Smart Mode. New in version 6.4, the Smart Mode panel on the right side gives you real-time market analysis. It shows you the current market condition, whether the market is volatile, trending, or ranging. Chop Index tells you how choppy the market is. ADX shows the trend strength, strong or weak. BB Width shows Bollinger Band width, high or low. Range Trade shows whether range trading mode is active. You can tap the button to turn it on or off depending on market conditions. Step 9. Auto Lot Size. The Auto Lot Size panel lets you manage your position sizing right from the chart. Lot 1 controls your TP1 lot size. Lot 2 controls your TP2 lot size. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust them quickly. Risk percentage your risk percentage per trade, manual and active lots. The status shows whether you're in manual or auto mode. Click Switch to Auto to let Julia calculate your lot sizes automatically based on your risk percentage. Switch back to manual anytime if you prefer to set lots yourself. Step 10. Using the control panel. Your control panel has all the quick actions you need. Close all. Close all trades in one click. Close 50%. Take half your profits off the table. Take profit. Close only profitable trades. Cut loss. Close only losing trades. Pause EA. Yellow means trading is active. Sky blue means trading is paused. This is a simple way to stop new trades while keeping your open ones safe. Disable TP2. Turn off the second take profit level if you only want single TP trades. Tap again to re-enable it. Full chart view showing EA running with a live trade. All panels visible. That's Julia Scalper version 6.4. Smarter, more powerful, and ready to trade. Welcome to a new era of precision trading with Julia Scalper V6.4. Designed for the modern trader, our latest version brings you advanced market analysis at your fingertips. Experience the power of smart mode, adapting to market conditions instantly to keep you ahead of the curve. With automated lot sizing and clear entry signals, you stay in control without the guesswork. Simplify your trading workflow and maximize your potential with tools built for success. Get lifetime access to Julia Scalper V6.4 for only $249. Message me on Telegram or click the button below to secure your license now.